Hello, my name is Manfred and welcome to my kitchen. I am no chef, but I can cook, and today it's very exciting. We're going to make the chicken salad. So you need the cooked chicken, the green onion, the red pepper, the celery, the parsley, the mayonnaise, the mustard, the lemon or the lime. You got to make a choice here. I mean, that's just the way it is. And this is very exciting. Now, the first thing we always do when we come in the kitchen is we wash the hands, okay? Now, because you see everything out here, I'd washed my hand before, but this is for demonstration. You wash around and around between the fingers, you know. You also, if you've been in the garden picking things, you gotta clean the fingernails too, you know. That's just the way things are. So we wipe the hands so we don't get nothing on anything here. This is very beautiful, isn't it? Oh, very colorful. This is fun. Now, the first thing, hey, look how much fun this is in the kitchen. So the first thing we're gonna do is we got the chicken that is cooked. It's right up there. This you can get at the deli or you can roast it yourself. Manfred happened to roast this one himself. You put it down on the cutting board. Now, every cutting board, you need more than one cutting board. This one, I have the little M on that. That means for meat. That's meat only, nothing else. So we're going to get the knife. What's the name of the knife we're going to get? Let's get the chef's knife. Oh, there it is. You see the angle of that? This is called the chef's knife, and this is very easy. First thing, you keep the fingers out of the way. You curl them back. You just slice through. Oh, that's nice and sharp. I didn't have to sharpen it this time. Notice how we go right straight through, real easy. Just like that. Now, when you get that done, you can make the choice. You can turn the meat on the board, or you can turn the board. It's your choice. Tonight, I'm going to turn the board. So you lift the board up and you just turn it like that because it makes it so easy. I want to tell you this is fun. Now you go the other way because what you're doing is dicing little squares. There. Oh, can you see that, camera lady? I mean, that is so beautiful. You keep the fingers curled back. Now you don't want to make the great big one. Don't look away when you're cutting because you go, oh, that would hurt. You can't do that. You want to make sure that these diced chicken here is just little bites because you don't want the great big ones. Now we can set the knife down. That's nice. You want to see that? That's a perfectly diced cooked chicken. You can't get better than that. And if I can do it, you can do it. So we put it back down. Now, because this is the program and I'm showing you the show and how to do it, I already did some. I'll show you that too, okay? I did this before the show started, so we're going to add them all together. Now, because this one is full, we're going to get the mixing bowl. So we come over here to this side. Whoa, look at this. That's called a lid. We'll just leave it here for now, okay? We're going to use it later. Close this. Now you got the mixing bowl. So the first thing we're going to do is dump all the chicken in there like that. Oh, this is a decision now. I got to know where to put it. Oh, I'm going to put it here for the minute. Because the chicken was on this, we got to wash it. We put it in here. Because, oh, we got some more there. Because we got the chicken, we put it in the sink. Also, now we put the rest of the meat in here. Oh, that's very, very good. Yeah. Now, because this is the meat one, we're not going to use this for the vegetable. We're going to put it over here until we can cook it later. So I'm going to go over here and put it down, okay? Way over there so it's out of the way. That's good. Now, by gar, I got another cutting board, and this one has a little V on it. That means for the vegetable, okay? I'll move this up. Oh, that makes some noise. You got to be careful in the kitchen here. Now, what we got next? Let's do the green onion. I got a little green onion here, but first of all, we're going to make the wash because you want to make it sure it's nice and clean. You rinse it off, put it down. Wipe the hands because you got the slippery hands on the knife. It's not good, but I got the good knives here, you know. By the way, always buy when they're on sale. You save the money. You gotta save the money for sure. Okay, the first thing we do, trim off the little edge like that. We'll set it to the side because we're going to recycle this in a moment. Now, I'm going to cut off the top bits. You see that? There's 3 little green things right there. We're going to set them right there. This is the thicker part. It's got the white on it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to very, very carefully cut it down the center. Now you can make the choice. You can cut that again or you can leave it like that. We're going to leave it like that so you got a nice crunch when you get in. Now I'm going to show you the trick that Manfred has. He's going to go back here. You don't need to cut everything with the knife. You can use the scissors. These scissors are clean because I cleaned them. Now watch this. Instead of having to do chop, 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 chop. No, we don't have to do that. We can make this real easy. Look at that. Oh, is that nice? Really easy. Keep the fingers back again. You get them stuck between the parts. It's going to hurt you when you do it. Let's go through the rest very quickly. Losa, how easy and quick. And while you got you want to invite the people over. You know, you're making this. You invite the relatives, you invite the friends to sit in the kitchen with you and have the chat, you know. Because when I'm here, I got the camera lady. She chat with me all the time. Okay. Now, we got these all done. I want to show you something. That the scissors I got, they come apart for cleaning. Very nice. Very nice. Put them in. We're done with them. We put them in there. Pick up the onion. Put the onion like this in there. Oh, that's nice and easy. Sometimes you wait to put it in. Now I'm going to make the decision tonight to not wait to put the onion in. I'm going to put the onion in the bowl just like that with the meat. It can sit there while we're waiting for just a moment. It doesn't take much, okay? There's another one that's clean. You got everything out of it. Put that in the sink also because you got to do the dishes afterwards. You can't leave the dishes sitting around. You come in the morning, it may not smell so good. You got to be real careful. So the next thing we got is the celery, okay? I'm not going to use the big knife on the celery now. I'm going to set the big knife down here. And I'm going to get the small knife. Let me see, I got the names of them down here. This is called the paring knife, okay? You see what it's like? Now I have the good knives with the no slip handle. That's very good. So the first thing you're going to do, this is celery. You recognize it? If you're not sure what it is, when you go to the grocery store, they got the name there, okay? It's not hard. So the first thing we're going to do is carefully cut the celery down the center. Now you got 2-piece celery, okay? Now watch this. I'm going to do it again. We cut it down the center again. Always use the sharp side of the knife. You get it backwards, it don't work so good, you know? You got to get it forward. You do that knife again. Oh, that's good. Now you line them up. And you cut them into nice little bite size. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Very easy. Listen. Oh, yeah. Keep the fingers out of the way. You get the fingers in, you got the problem, okay? Now, I got the more celery here. Notice this. You got the green. Over here, you got the red we're going to use, and you got the yellow. You got to eat a lot of food with colors all the time, you know. They call it the rainbow of colors, so we're going to call it the rainbow of colors too. So let's put this all together. We put the celery in here with the rest of it. You notice I had to prepare a little bit. Now, how much celery and how much onion you put in here, that depends on you. You can use more onion or less onion. Right now, tonight, I made the decision I'm using that amount of onion and that amount of celery because it's going to make quite a bit. We're going to have leftovers, and then we're going to teach you how to do it with the leftovers. You learn from Manfred because I am no chef, but look, I'm cooking right now. On we go to the red pepper. That's a nice color. Now, you got to make the decision. The red pepper, we're going to just rinse off quickly. Let it sit and dry on the corner there, and then I wipe my hands again because I don't want anything to slip. I have the little thing I like to wipe my hands and keep the hands dry. Now, watch this. We take the paring knife, you put the edge in, and you just slice down like that. That's so easy. Always make sure the knives are sharp. And you cut down like that. Tonight, that's enough red pepper for me. I'm not putting no more red pepper in here. Oh, I can put it right here. And we'll put it in the fridge in a moment, okay? We take this. Now you see that little white part right there? We're going to just carefully keep our fingers back and cut that out. Now, we're going to just slice, slice, slice. Oh, I got 4 slices. That's all you need. And now we're just going to cut it into little. We're trying to make all the cubes that we make for the chicken and for the celery and for the red pepper, all the same size. Now, toss that in. Oh, look, this is getting like very, very pretty. Look at this. Is that not pretty? That's almost as pretty as Manfred, but you know, you can't get it all the way there all the time. Okay, now I'm going to show you something else here today. You wear this on the side like this so you can wipe the hands. You always try to wear the hat in the kitchen. You get the hair in there and somebody get a cut on their mouth. They don't like that. So you notice Manfred wear the hat. You wear the hat too. Now, we got to put the everything together here to make the, what you call this when you put it on here, the salad dressing. Is that what it's called? Oh yeah, the camera lady, she smiled at me and she say, yeah, I'm doing this right. Oh, let's clean this up first. Just these little bits like this. Manfred has the recycle unit. You recycle these out into the garden and you make a good fertilizer for your garden, but we talk about the garden later. Okay, now what we got to do now? Oh, we got to mix these two things together right here, okay? So, we got the mayonnaise right there. That's real. We got the mustard. Now, you take the mustard of the flavor you like, you know. They all come different. We talk about that on the mustard video, so don't worry about it. So, we're going to put the mustard in the mayonnaise. The best thing to do, I'm going to go back here again. I get this rubber thing that's called the spatula. Very, very easy to use. You just scrape the mustard into the mayonnaise like that. Oh, it's so easy. Now, the nice thing about the spatula is you can get it really clean. I'll show you there in a minute. That's pretty clean, isn't it? That's not bad. Now, you don't need that anymore. We put it in the sink also. Now, we got to stir this around. It looks like my spatula a little big for that, so let's get something smaller to stir with. I go back over here. I got the spoon. Yeah, you can use the big end of the spoon you want, but Manfred sometimes turns it around and he does it with the other end. Do you see that? Can you hear that? This is fun. Are you having fun with this too? Yeah, I am. Okay, now, here what they call is, I think the name of this is here we're going to set that there for a second, is the coupe de grace, okay? Or coupe de grace, I don't know, I got the, never mind. You cut this is a lemon. This, there you can see it's a lemon, it comes yellow, okay? That's a really nice color. What we're going to do is use the juice of the lemon. Okay, down you put that. Cut the lemon down through. Oh, that's really nice and sharp. And watch this. I'm going to squeeze this lemon right in there. Can you see that? Oh, spraying that way too, but nobody's there, you know, so there's no problem. You do this with somebody else, well, off it goes. Put that like that. Now, you may get the little pips in there, so you just pick them out like that. And like that. In there. And now you stir this together like that. You got in there. You got the mustard that you like, the one of your choice. You got the mayonnaise. And you got the lemon. Isn't that great? Now, watch this. Have I forgot anything? No? Oh, you can use lime. I can mention you use lime. Tonight I made the decision to use the lemon, okay? The lemon. Put that there. We can set that up there. We're going to put this right in the center here now. We make sure we got the green onion, the red pepper, the celery, the mayonnaise, the mustard, the lemon. Sure, that's great. Let's now this is where it gets fun. You just take this, put it in like that. Whoa, isn't that nice? And now notice the spatula can clean it out a lot. You can get almost everything out of there with the spatula. Down it goes. You put that in the sink to be cleaned too. Now all you got to do is mix it together. Just like this. That's so easy. Notice that. Just mix it around. Oh, that's perfect. You got the red in here. You got the green. You got the mayonnaise. You got the mustard. Oh, that's beautiful. That's it. That's the chicken salad. Chicken salad wrap. This is a nice variety on the change on the chicken salad. So you need the chicken salad, you need the tortilla shell, You need the salsa, and we got the shredded cheese too. We got the cilantro, and hey, we're gonna throw some lettuce in, but I don't have the lettuce on the board. It don't matter. We're gonna put it in anyway. And this is very exciting. This is made with the tortilla shell. You buy these at the supermarket or the market there. That is a tortilla shell. There's the one side, there's the other side, and it's very, very thin. You see that? Okay. Now, it's not so flexible right now, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the microwave here, and we're going to nuke it. I mean, we're going to microwave. Sometimes I say nuke, but you don't have to say that. We're going to microwave this thing here for just 20 seconds. So the first thing I got to do is get the plate. Whoa, I'm down on the plates. Maybe, I got to check up on that. You put that just like that. That's so simple. Now, I'm going to show you the trick. I got the paper towel here. Take the paper towel and place over top like that. Open the microwave. Put that in like that. Close the door. Go 2, 0, start. Now, while that is microwaving there, you can still hear me. I'm going to get out the chicken salad. Now, you watched how we made the chicken salad and we had leftovers. So tonight, maybe you come home from working, or you've been to the school, or maybe you got friends coming over, so you made this earlier. We got... The microwave always tells you when it's ready, and if you don't get it, it'd make it another sound again. So we're going to take the top off this. Always put it down, hang on to it to get the top off. That works very well. There's the chicken salad that we made. We've got it right there. So now we're going to get out from the microwave. We got the tortilla shell. We're going to save this piece of paper, paper towel, because we're going to use it again. Oh, that's just a little warm. But now you notice it's very flexible. That's good. Now, the first thing we want to get, we're going to get the spoon. This is the spoon I think I'm going to use today. You have to make the choice. You got 6 spoons there. You got to make a choice and pick one. Today I chose this one. You may not choose the same one every day. You don't know. So the first thing you do, you take the chicken salad that's already been made, because you come home from work and you want to get right at it. You put the chicken salad right down the center like that. Oh, that's nice. That's all the salad we're going to use, so we can put the top back on this. That seals it really nice, and set that to the side. Now, this is called salsa. You can get the salsa in normal, medium, and hot. Now, you got to have the flavor you understand. Right now, this is the medium one, and that's pretty good for me, you know what I mean? So, we don't want to contaminate this, so we're going to get another spoon, because see this spoon here? We've already used it. We're going to put it in the sink now. We get another spoon. You can use lots of them because they wash real easy. You got to do the dishes when you're done anyway. You've always got to do the dishes. The dishes are always needing doing. You eat 3 times a day, you got 3 times you got to do the dishes. Take some salsa like this and just spread it down the center again, just like that. Whoa, that's really nice. This one's not in use anymore. I'm going to show you this. I think you want to look at it, okay? We don't have the overhead camera, so I have to show you. Is that not pretty? You got the tortilla, you got the chicken salad, which you know how to make and you made previously because you want to get going. Now you got the salsa. We're going to add now the shredded cheese. Now watch this. You can see this. Is that shredded? Yeah. Oh, from top to bottom, I dropped this down. Now we put a little more of the shredded cheese on there. It's got 3 times the cheese in it, but I'm not worried about that. Now, oh, that's getting nice and fat, you know. Oh, I'm going to add another flavor tonight. This is the cilantro. It's very good. You can find this in the supermarket. And I'm going to use, these are really good in the kitchen. You can use the scissors. Oh yeah, you don't just cut hair with this. You can cut some cilantro. So I got some fresh cilantro. I just pull out a few here. That's a little bit like that. Oh, we hold it together, and all we do is we just go cut, cut, cut. Oh, look at that fall on there. Isn't that beautiful? Don't worry if it falls outside. You just want to make it look nice. Look at the color in that now. Just look at that color. You got the chicken. You got the salsa, which is the red. You got the cheese, which is the cheese color. And you got the cilantro, which is green. Now, what you're going to do, you can't eat it like that. You try to pick it up like this, nothing's going to happen. It's going to fall over. You're going to do that. It's going to be over here. So here's the little trick. You take the one side and you pull it over. You take the other side and you pull that over. You got the toothpick. You know what the toothpick is. You push it in and through just like you're sewing. There's the first one. Isn't that great? Look, it's holding on the side. I can turn it like that too. Yeah, you can see it. Now, we don't want it to fall out the bottom when you're eating it. You can pick it up like this. It's going to fall out. So what we're going to do is take the bottom, and this is why we heated it, and we're going to put it up like that. Isn't that beautiful? That's great. And look there. Nothing is coming out the bottom. Now, we want to heat this up. Melt the cheese a little, warm it up again. So, remember, we had the paper towel from the other time there. Not this time, but the other time. And so we're going to use it this time from the other time, okay? I'm just going to pick this up, put it in the center of the paper towel, fold this over, fold that over. I'm just going to turn it over on the plate like that. That's wrapped up like a really nice job, huh? And then we're going to put it in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Open this up. Just set it in. Can you see that? That's in the microwave, okay? We close the door. 2, 0, start. Now while that's doing that, why don't I put this back in the fridge because I'm going to use it some more. We got some leftovers. It's great. Oh, I'm going to put the cheese and I'm going to put the salsa. Yeah, this is the salsa. I almost forgot that, but you know, I got the board to remind me, so it's good. I put this in there, just like that. This one goes in there. So we got everything put in the fridge. The scissors, they come apart for being washed. I like this pair. We put it in there because we're going to wash later. It's not bad. Oh, we go over here. Pick this out. Now, you see that? Now why I got the lettuce here? This is what I'm going to do. Sometimes you can put the lettuce in there. Tonight I'm not going to put the lettuce in there. I'm going to roll the lettuce up like this. Just like that. Will it stay like that? Yeah, it'll stay like that. That's good. I'm going to wrap this down here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You can hold this in one hand. You can hold this in the other. And you can take some bites and go on and eat because that is the perfect chicken salad wrap. This is very exciting. I am no chef, but I can cook.